On the console, the prompt indicates that the user can enter a statement or command for R to execute. If you enter a statement that assigns an object to a variable, then that variable will be available in the global environment. It is then possible to use that variable in some other computation. For example, if you assign the value 2 to the variable a, this statement will assign the value 2 to the variable a. The statement reads a gets 2. In R, this is an assignment operator. If I hit enter on the keyboard, then this variable will appear in the global environment. It is now possible to use a in some other computation. For example, I can do 2 times a. The answer is 4. If I clear the global environment, which is the workspace, then a is no longer in the global environment. Hence, R is not aware of the variable a. If I execute the command 2 times a again, this time I'll get an error because R is not aware of the variable a, since a is not in the global environment or the workspace. It is possible to carry out some computation without the values being in the global environment. For instance, 2 plus 2 will yield 4, and it is not required for these values to be in the global environment because none of them have been assigned to a variable. So what is a variable? A variable is a name that refers to an object in the workspace. R can find and access objects and functions in the global environment, just as the user can find and access files and projects in the working directory.